Oh my god, my loves, my loves, my loves, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank y'all for ordering stuff. Y'all are so cute. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and we're not stuffing and we're not doing anything today. I'm at 970 right now, so I only need 30 more subscribers to hit 1,000. So I figured, let me just come on here and tell you guys how to enter this one, because this one is gonna be a little bit different from the first one. So this is what I want y'all to do. Before I get into that, I've just realized that I've never showed you guys that I also save coins. I feel like that's important. So I just wanted to show y'all real quick my little coins collection that's going on. I separated them. So I have this little container. I got this from, I think this was from Target. It was like $3, and I put my pennies in here. And then I have this one. I got this, I think, from TJ Maxx. And in this one I have quarters, dimes, nickels. So yeah, I do 2 containers. I don't know, I separated my coins because I feel like I don't want the pennies to take up all the space with the other coins that could be like more money, you know. I don't know if y'all get what I mean, but I did separate them. So I think it's really wise for you guys to save the coins. And I also have something else that I wanted to show you guys. So let me show you like my little setup when I'm on the streets. So y'all already know about my little mini, let me zoom in. So you guys already know about my little mini baby right here. Y'all know my little mini cash wallet where this is my little necessity spending, right? So look what I got. Isn't this cute? It's a cute little is it an octopus? It looked like an octopus to me. It looked like an octopus to me. I don't know what it is, but yo, this is so cute. I got this on Shein, by the way, and it's like a little coin purse. So I also have this one. It's gonna be on my website, available soon. I think this is super cute, and I bring this around with me, so when I get my loose change, I put my loose change in there. I kind of just stuffed this in here earlier today when I didn't really know like what to do with it. I just keep it in here because this has like a little key ring, so I could just attach it to the little wallet. But I walk around with this thing, so when I get change, the change goes in here, and then if I get like paper change, it goes in here. So I did want to show you guys that I also save pennies as well, like coins. So let me put this away, and then I want to tell you guys how you're gonna enter the giveaway. The last time I didn't know that I was gonna get to 500 so fast. So I didn't really get to put the giveaway video out in time, and I feel like when I put the giveaway video out, I was already past 500, like so fast. Like I was almost at 650, 700 when I put the video out. I was like, whoa. So probably when I'm close, I need to put the video of how to enter out. This is what you gotta do to enter the 1,000 subscribers giveaway. So I want you guys to head on over to my website. I'm gonna put the website in the description below, so you can just touch the link and get there. And all you have to do is just buy one thing off the website to enter the giveaway. So it could be, I have small things over there. I have digital stuff. You can buy something digital. You can buy a savings challenge. You don't really have to necessarily buy like a binder. You can buy a binder if you like. You don't have to, but you can. But all you have to do to enter this, purchase something on my website. It doesn't matter how small it is. I really don't care. The website is in the description below. Purchase something on the website For this giveaway, I'm going to pick 2 winners. So 2 people will be chosen in the giveaway to receive whatever it is that I'm giving away. And once I'm revealing the winners, I will post what the giveaway items will be, so you guys can enter. I have digital download printables over there, literally for $3. Like spend $3 and enter the giveaway, or whatever you want to buy. Just buy something. So each time a purchase comes in, that person's name will be entered into the giveaway. Basically, is how I'm gonna do it. So let's see. I can show you guys what I have over there now. I'm just gonna give you a little overview. So on the website, we have the 100 envelope savings bundle. We have saving challenges. We have a t-shirt. You can also get a t-shirt if you like, or not, up to you. And this is the digital copy. It will say digital copy at the top, meaning that it's a PDF, so you can purchase it to either print them at home, or you can add them to your iPad on GoodNotes or Notability. We have binders over there. We have other saving challenges as well, more digital stuff, and yeah, I will add more stuff as well. I also have the no spend challenge if you guys want to challenge yourself with that. But I'm gonna add more stuff to the website, more printables and stuff like that. So you guys can just place an order, and that is how you will enter into the giveaway. So I wanted to come here and say that because we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. This time I feel like I'll include gifts in the giveaway that's not really budget wise. I might just go to the store and, you know, pick out a few things. So enter the giveaway by purchasing something on my website, guys. Thank you guys for the love and support. Oh my god, I'm so surprised. Wow. If you guys would like me to do a video on how to grow your subscribers fast, because I literally did this in like 9 days. I'm so surprised. If you guys want a video on that, let me know. I will make a video sharing tips with you on how to do so. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.